arrived in Bali. It's currently about 28 degrees, which is pretty nice. And we're going to go collect our bags and everything. We're going to collect Sophie, who we're meeting, and we're going to make our way to the villa. So we've made it to the villa. I'll show you around in the morning because it's way too dark at the minute. It's currently like 4:30, so I'll see you in the morning and I'll show you around then instead. We've just had a quick look around the villa and it's massive, so I'm going to do a quick little tour and show you around. It's got a giant garden for a start. Two bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right, both double beds. It's got such a massive garden. We've even got two housekeepers that are currently making us breakfast. Like, how is this even possible? We've gone from being in hostels for the past 2 months to this. Legit, like, you're right on the beach. Can you get any closer? Good, it's not sunny, but a gigantic pool. Easily 10 metres. And breakfast has literally just been served, so I'm going to eat my breakfast and show you the rest later.
Here we are, everyone, at the breakfast table in Bali. And if you just show me the spread.
Yeah, but it's nothing left, you idiot.
Oh yeah, that's the point. We've just eaten a feast.
So what do you think?
I think I'm living luxury.
What do you think of the place?
It's stunning.
Nice.
What
Absolutely.
did you think of our servants making?
Not as hand and foot.
So, this is our villa. Lounge. Nice little dining area. Got ourselves a kitchen, which we've got housekeepers that have made us breakfast and lunch for today, so can't complain. We've got one room in there, Amanda's and Calf's, Sophie and Maddie chilling. And in a minute we're all outside in the pool. Thank you for watching today's video. The next few videos will obviously be based in Bali, so if you want to see more, make sure you do subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.